Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios. And you know what? It is almost summer, and you guys, you need a boat. This is the easiest way to get one with the Intex Excursion, their inflatable boat. This is such a cool product, you guys. It's affordable, it's easy to use, and it's something that you can store. You don't have to worry about having a lot of space in order to store your boat, because it deflates. So, and it has a carrying case with it. It's all gonna be something that you can easily take with you. You don't have to have a truck. You don't have to have anything to haul this with. This allows you to have all of the convenience and summer fun of a small fishing boat without any of the hassle, and it's totally affordable. Intex, if you guys don't know, they are like synonymous with quality when it comes to any sort of inflatable summer toys. They are gonna be who you want to trust for all of your floating rafts, your inner tubes, all of that kind of stuff, you guys. Intex is the brand. So you know that this is going to be super high quality, super durable. It's gonna last a really long time, be made to the highest standards. In fact, it is safety certified by the U.S. Coast Guard. This is gonna be great for lakes and even rivers that don't run too crazy fast, you know? This is just such a fun thing. It's gonna have lots of room for you and up to 4 other friends, so 5 people total. Comfortable backrest in the back, places for you to set your fishing poles, and even a place for you to keep all of your fishing supplies with you if that's your thing. This is really cool because it even has the option, if you guys want, to mount a trolling motor on the back of it. So you can really get crazy with this. If that's not your jam, then you can just use the oars that come with it. This inflates really fast, it deflates really fast. So again, you guys, if you are looking for a boat, this is an amazing way to enjoy the water, get outside, enjoy the sunshine, but you don't have to, you know, haul your boat around and, you know, have a big truck. You don't have to, you know, invest a lot of money in the boat, and you don't have to have a place to store it. So, you know, no reason not to put this in your cart and get outside and enjoy this summer.